How to manage Google password on your HONOR X6A. Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to do it. In the first step, from main menu position, we must navigate to the Google Chrome, where we must press 3 dots on the right corner of screen. Now go to the settings, where we have password manager. We choose it, and there we can manage our passwords. We can turn on or turn off to function save passwords or auto sign-in, or we can manage our password which our owner remember. In this case to our Facebook. We can press there and we can copy our password and our username, or after that we press this eyes icon, our owner show us our password. We can delete this. To do this we click there and confirm by delete password. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.